Welcome back to the Andrew Huff channel. Today guys, I'm so excited to dive into a shoe that I've been testing extensively, the ASICS Gel Cumulus 26, as you can see just here. This is ASICS' go-to neutral daily trainer, designed to deliver a lightweight, cushioned experience, whether you're running short or long distances, hitting a treadmill, or even working in some high intensity workouts, like skipping. But how does it really perform? And how does it compare to something like the Gel Nimbus 26? Well guys, I'll be putting it through its paces here in Kangaroo Point, Brisbane, on road runs, treadmill sessions, and even skipping workouts. And I've got a lot to share. Out of the box, the Cumulus 26 has a modern, sleek design that feels premium but lightweight. ASICS updated the midsole with FF Blast Plus foam, combined with PureGel cushioning in the heel, making this one of the most comfortable yet responsive versions of the Cumulus yet. The engineered mesh upper looks breathable, and they've kept sustainability in mind, using recycled materials and a solution-dyed sock inner and a solution-dyed sock liner to reduce carbon emissions. Now, I was excited to test these out because I've had great experiences with the Gel Nimbus 26, which I also did a review on. And I want to see if the Cumulus 26 would be a solid alternative. And you can see I've got them here delivered in a box. Size 10 I am as well, which is good. So I've probably got average size shoes. But before we get into the performance, let's talk about fit and comfort. So I have neutral foot pronation, meaning I don't need excessive stability features. The Cumulus 26 is a neutral shoe, so it's designed for runners like me who want a balanced ride without added support elements. If you overpronate and need extra stability, you might want to check out something like the GT 2000 series. But for neutral runners, this shoe fits like a glove. And I've also done a review on a GT 1000 as well, if you want to check that out too. From the moment I put these on, I noticed the heel collar is well padded, giving a locked-in feel without being restrictive. As you can see, guys, that's the size of the heel just there. Isn't that tremendous? It's so big. The mesh upper is breathable and snug enough to feel secure. The toe box is slightly tapered. The toe box is slightly tapered, so I recommend trying them on if you have wider feet. But for me, I've got narrow feet. The fit is perfect. So guys, I took these on multiple runs to really understand how they perform in different settings. So the first one I did this is, as you guys know, I love running around Kangaroo Point. So I ran around Kangaroo Point in Brisbane, running along the Brisbane River. I immediately noticed how smooth and cushioned these felt underfoot. Normally I have to go and run on grass because I get lots of ankle pain if I run with shoes. These, I didn't get that. I could run on, roads, grass. The fluid ride outsole also helps absorb impact. And the rocker geometry feels natural, allowing for an easy, effortless roll through each stride. The heel transition as well is very smooth, and despite the lightweight feel, there's enough cushioning for longer distances. Now I also use these on treadmill as well. Now I use lots of running treadmill, so it felt very responsive and bouncy. The PureGel cushioning in the heel really absorbs impact, making it a fantastic option for treadmill runners who log a lot of miles. I also found the grip on the outsole is solid even at higher speeds. And you can see they've got the different types of outsole there. So you've got the out part there and the inner part there, which is a soft, so it kind of covers it. So I did skipping and high intensity workouts. Now, one thing I really want to test was how the Cumulus 26 handles skipping and high impact movements. Well, since skipping involves a lot of quick rebounds, you need a shoe that absorbs fast impacts, but keeps you stable. The FF Blast Plus midsole provides enough balance to feel responsive, and the heel lockdown keeps everything secure. However, if you're done most of skipping, you might prefer a shoe, guys, with a slightly firmer platform. So the Gel Nimbus 26 is slightly lighter than the Nimbus 26, and if you really feel that on shorter, faster runs. While Nimbus is a plush max cushion trainer, the Cumulus 26 feels a lot more snappier and more responsive, so you'll probably get a bit more power when you're doing your runs. The FF Blast foam gives a softer impact on landing while still maintaining a springy push-off. It's not the softest shoe I've ever worn, but for a daily trainer, it hits a perfect balance between comfort and responsiveness. And I guess you don't want a shoe that's too soft either. You want to get the cushioning in there, but you don't want it to be like laying in a bed. One of the biggest changes ASICS made to the Cumulus 26 is the fluid ride outsole, which is a rubberized EVA material. Instead of traditional rubber, this makes the sole lighter and smoother to run in. But guys, does it wear faster? Well, after 40 miles of testing, I haven't really seen much wear on the foot. You can see it is just there. So seems to be going quite well for that. So, and if you want, you go for a heavy runner. And if you do a lot of treadmill activity, you might want to check the durability, but, you know, because that's see it's there, and then you've got the sole underneath it. But, you know, guys, so far the soles, as you can see, have performed very, very well. So who should pick the ASICS Gel Cumulus 26? Well, if you want a lightweight cushion daily trainer that can handle a variety of runs, guys, this is a fantastic option. If you do a mix of treadmill and outdoor running, the Cumulus 26 does offer a comfortable ride, and it doesn't feel too bulky either. And again, they're very, very light as well, which I like. If you're training for a short to mid-distance race, the Cumulus 26 can handle some tempo runs while still being very, very comfortable for easy days. And if you're a heel striker or you get pain in the heel like I do, the PureGel cushioning in this heel makes it a great choice. As you can see there, it all is there. And also look at that color as well. Isn't that such a cool color? Now for the price, the ASICS Gel Cumulus 26 is one of the best value daily trainers in the market. It's light, comfortable, and versatile, making it a great choice for neutral runners who want a shoe that can do it all. The ride is smooth, the fit is secure, and the new Fluid Ride outsole makes it feel softer and more natural underfoot. Now guys, is it better than the Gel Nimbus 26? Well, that really depends what you're looking for. If you want maximum comfort for longer runs, the Nimbus might be the better pick slightly. But if you want a snappier, more versatile trainer, the Cumulus 26 is the one to get. And we've also done a full review of shoes, including a shoe comparison between the Nike, the ASICS, so you can see. It wasn't an ASICS versus one. We're also going to do a next video about a comparison between the ASICS Gel Nimbus 26 and the ASICS Gel Cumulus 26. So guys, check that out. And before we go, don't forget we're running a giveaway with over $4,000 worth of prizes. The links are in the description. Multiple entries are available. And as always, drop a comment below. If you tried the Cumulus 26, or if you've been debating between this and Nimbus 26, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, click notification, and check us out for more in-depth reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for joining us here at the Andrew Huff channel.